Hi, welcome back to Bestmaster Education platform. Today we are going to learn about one more very latest features inside the Photoshop. So it's called content aware. This is also very important features when you're working with some projects. So what is the use of this? So when you want to remove some parts from your working area or your image or somewhere, so you can use this feature. Okay, let's go to do the practice so we can see how it's work. For do that, go to file and open some image from your file to do this exercise. I'm going to open this image. Okay, select zoom tool and select actual pixels, and we're going to do this with the quick selection tool. So you can select and hold in here, then you can select the quick selection tool. So, and then select the add to selection. In here, this is the add to selection. Select the add selections and make it a little bit zoom out with control minus key like this, because in here I'm going to remove this girl from this background. Right, remove this girl from this background, and you can resize your brush size from here how big you want. Yeah, like it's okay for me. And select completely your image wherever you want to. Like this, you can select for do. It's good. Do more practice, become more expert in the Photoshop. Let's do this and okay. If you want to subtract anything, if you select like a unwanted area, you can subtract. Don't worry about that. But to do that, go to subtract from selections, this one, and select it. And select that area carefully like this. See, now subtract from the main image. Selected. Now check the image. See in here you don't want to remove this area. You want to remove only the girl. Because of that, we'll subtract this part also. Almost okay. And in here, little we want to subtract like that. Now we have to check if it's select completely or not. For do that, so you can expand your edges more. For do that, go to select, modify and expand. I'm going to one more pixels. Expand to 13 and okay. Watching almost is okay. But I want to take in this finger. Okay, my selection is almost okay. Now better to you duplicate this your image. For to do that, before I teach you so many ways, and in here you can drag and drop this one into new layer. Right click, duplicate layer and duplicate it. Then go to edit and then go to fill. In this dialog box, make sure in selected or not, call content aware. Mode is normal, opacity is 100%, and then hit OK. Photoshop will doing rest of the things what we going to do, and let's wait a moment. See what happened there. Wow, wonderful. See the miracle of the Photoshop tool. Alright, that is the lesson today. Go ahead and do more practice to become more familiar with Photoshop and this kind of options. Now press Ctrl D to unselect Wow, see your background how it is. Don't forget to press bell icon or YouTube button right side on your video and share with others to enhance them designing knowledge as well. Thank you for watching and we will meet with next episode.